Good first impressions are essential to forming long-term relationships. That's why it's important to make every office visitor feel welcome. My name is Lou, and I'm the Brand and Content Specialist here at SwipedOn. In this video, I'll guide you through 4 ways to ensure every office visitor feels welcomed in their first moments through the door. According to Stanford University researchers, you're more likely to form a positive first impression if we're in a good mood to begin with. Nothing makes us cranky like a rushed, stress-inducing journey. Things like traffic, rain, and grouchy commuters are out of your control, but what you can influence is your visitors' route to your workplace. A few days before they are due to arrive, give them clear instructions on how to reach you, including transport tips, possible access codes and procedures, and who to ask for. As the Stanford University report reveals, putting someone in a good mood means they're more likely to recognize positive things about you and your business. So even if you do slip up, they're less likely to register it as a problem. Your receptionist is the first face your visitor sees when they step into your workspace. From looking tidy to pronouncing your visitor's name correctly, this person needs to be a true professional. Offering visitors a beverage is a must, as is being attentive to any other needs they may have. Make sure the receptionist knows it's important to either greet visitors verbally or acknowledge them with a smile if they're busy talking on the phone and can't speak to them immediately. Receptionists and employees should also be prepared to use a visitor's name when greeting them. Salespeople are regularly trained to address their prospects by name to build trust and familiarity. And the same tactic can be applied to make your visitors feel welcome. If you don't have a full-time receptionist, instruct your employees to welcome visitors and direct them to the sign-in area. For companies with no receptionist, it's especially important to use digital SignIn software to welcome and lead visitors through the sign-in process. Take as much pride in your reception as you do your own appearance. If your business has any awards, display them on the wall or in a polished, dust-free cabinet. Make sure walls are painted and stain-free and seating is comfortable and not worn out. Other ideas to create a welcoming atmosphere include books and new magazines on a coffee table, visible Wi-Fi details, self-serve beverages and snacks, art on the walls, natural lighting, and large plants. Good lighting and plenty of plants are scientifically proven to improve mood, so this is a great place to start. Signing in with a paper visitor book might seem easy enough, but in this day and age, visitors expect more than an impersonal, insecure, and unprofessional sign-in book. Rather than handing visitors a dog-eared book, offer them a personalized greeting displayed on a sleek sign-in software. An iPad at reception not only looks more professional, but it also enhances your security and makes the sign-in process easier, more professional, and more comprehensive. Using sign-in software such as SwipedOn can streamline the visitor sign-in process by including visitor screening questions, non-disclosure agreements, and a contactless experience. This way, your staff can focus on creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere and leave the time-consuming admin to the app. If ID badges are part of your sign-in process, instead of using an impersonal ID badge that says visitor, a visitor management system can be integrated with personalized ID badges to make your visitors feel taken care of and recognized. Creating a welcoming, professional atmosphere is a must for all businesses, regardless of size or industry. A good first impression paves the way for a positive relationship with your business or brand.